Okay, hello, my name is Jinlin Li, and you can call me Jack. So this is a short demo video for the RA interview homework task, and I'm going to show you how I add those features to a Net.js framework. Uh, so the project asked me to, I can update, I can insert, I can find, and I can delete the task. The task should be persistently stored in the database, right? So here I'm going to use the MySQL. Uh, this is the MySQL local database, and I'm going to use this schema to store any data from client. And for now here is no tables found here, and so I'm gonna run the code. So firstly, let's start running. There we go. We need to with the Swagger, we can see that this is banded to the 3000 port, and the API docs is the Swagger. Of course, we can directly go to here. Is hello world. This is exactly the same as the like I said, exactly the same as the plan project for Net.js. But so everything I added here is in the API docs. This is a Swagger, and the default. So this is the Chinese version for default, and it's the hello world we said before. So the key things I do is here is the task manager. Actually, I implemented 4 APIs for tasks. That is like insert, find, update, and delete. Because I think if it cannot update, it's too weird. The status as the indication in the documents is like in new, but if cannot update, it's just too weird. So I also implement this function. So I'm going to try here. But firstly, let's we can take a look at the database. We can see we have already created like the task. This is ID. This is created time, update time. They're all auto generated. The title, descriptions, and status. So the ID should be a key, right? And the description, we can see there's no star here, so it means it's an optional one. Uh, Now I'm going to really show the functions. So the tasks, we can see we need these things. Okay, check it out. For example, I have a homework very soon, so I'm going to ask this task here. We execute it, return the success, but we need to really see what happened in database. Here we can see the it's already been here, right? The date, everything's fine here, and I'm going to show you uh, more more things like completed, but this is like another homework, like maybe 646 have finished this homework. So let's execute it. It also succeeds, and we can take a look at the table. Right, another completed, finished 646 homework. The, there we go. So here we show that we show all 3 status. Okay, so finish homework. Maybe I can change one. Maybe I'm going to database her. I don't know. It's no diction. Maybe we try to execute it. The see the okay. So there's no diction, right? But there's a title, and also time, and also in progress. And so sometimes maybe if we add something like this is just a nonsense case, like this is no status here. Execute it. So there will be returned an internal server error because status has only 3 types. It's an enum type, so we cannot like insert this kind of error tasks to our database. And okay, So this is of insert, and also we can get. So basically, the description in the files asks me to just get task by the I have seen many other functions like get task by title, but I deleted those functions that already implemented. I just reserved this function, like we can find task by ID. And so we can see there's 3 ID, right? 1, 2, 3. So now I'm gonna find them. Try. If we find 1, okay. So it return 1. This is exactly the first one, right? Okay, try to find 2. Exactly the second. Find 3. Exactly the third. So this is the get task. It's pretty simple. And let's see the delete. Delete is the last one, right? So I'm going to try it out. So now, like I have finished the second task, right? So I want to delete the second task. I'm gonna try to execute it. It return a success. But we really need to see whether there's a like task here. Like see there's no the second task, and from here we can try to see if we can find the task. So there's no such task, right? Since uh, we have already deleted the second task, so there will be no such task. So that's all for the requirement for the description file, but I have implemented the like update. So for the update, because this is very complex, in my code, I ask the user to like straightforward to what is the ID, and you can change anything here. Like for example, I have already done some work for comp 631 homework. I can change it like in progress, right? Okay, so in progress. Okay, this is success, but let's see it in database. So we see this is in progress, and also I can get the first one to execute. It is also changed to be in progress. And also, if I delete a wrong ID like 100 or 1000, there's no such ID, right? I can execute this task is not existed. So it can also handle this kind of error. And so I think that would be all kinds of situation we can see in the demonstration. Okay, so I have also provided with 2 test file for the task controller and the task service, and you can read the code more clearly in my GitHub. And so now I'm going to run them. So firstly, we're gonna see it all pass, and also the service. So basically, I will cooperate like create task, find task, and delete task. That's the 3 API in the description file. And thanks for watching the demo video.